First time I heard about this was on paper, presentation. Everything sounded cool. Prove it, right? It's a process. And I had the occasion to look at the data, to run samples a lot, and all of my expectations were surpassed.
I mean, we no longer have to just rely on a triple quad to provide quantitation. And now we have the ability to do quantitation and qualitative analysis at the same time. There's no compromise.
I think the 8600 gives us a really unique insight into some of our samples. So we're especially really interested in some of the different fragmentation possibilities. And I think the 8600 might give us the chance to actually measure that directly rather than assuming the presence by absence. So that's something I'm particularly excited to see how the 8600 might help our lab and what we do.
The most interesting aspect to me is that detector. I'm very hopeful that that's going to be a big revolution. The front end changing is also really nice in terms of sensitivity and robustness of cleaning and things like that.
And I feel like pretty happy hearing from the customers that 86 is definitely not only meeting, it's actually exceeding their expectation from us.
There's a lot of talk on it, especially small molecule workflows, metabolomics, lipidomics. It's driving new workflows, especially with the launch of CT Scan 2.0.
I'm sure we see more compounds. We can quantify more compounds. We can identify things that so far were sort of flying under the radar. So it really expands, I would say my guess is by twofold, the space of things we can observe in any type of sample. I think the best way of describing the 8600 is functional sensitivity, because it gives us immense power in terms of sensitivity that can be used in so many different ways to achieve, different type of experiments.
Hold on to your seats. I cannot emphasize enough, we do not know the true potential of this instrument, but hang on, it's going to be a wild ride, I think.